What is up, beautiful people? I'm here checking in just to give y'all a little house update. As y'all see, we got paint. Oh my gosh, no more burgundy, no more dark colors. This here is a sneak peek from the entryway, and then my loft area up there. Here's my new mirror that I bought from Ross. I'm trying to debate if I want to keep it the wood color. I don't know. Help me out. But this here is like the entryway. I think what I'm gonna do, because that mirror that was in my apartment, I think I want it to go here. Like as you walk down the stairs, you can see yourself. But I also, my rug, I bought a new rug for my living room, which is actually in the garage, so I'm about to go and get it and lay it out so I can see how it looks. But of course I kept the same furniture. And y'all, I have a fireplace. Oh my gosh. This is like super exciting, but I'm trying to debate what I want to do to the fireplace. So I have two ideas. One, with the grays, I'm thinking of doing a whitewash finish or painting the brick white, and then have this to be black, of course. The wood trimming that's going around it, that would be white, as well as the baseboards would be white as well. So yeah, super tall ceilings, which I love. But that is just a little house update. The paint, I'm like super excited that the paint is officially done. Y'all see, that's the dining room back there. I have to get a dining room table, so I have a table in mind that I really like. I just haven't went to go and purchase it yet, just in case I had seen something else that I like. So yeah, I'm about to sweep and mop and then bring in my new rug so I can see how it look in here. I ordered it off of Zulily, and it's a 7 by 9. I wanted an 8 by 10, but I'm like, it's not, the dimensions is not too much off from each other, so I got the 7 by 9, and it was only like how much did I pay? $70 something. And normally like a 8 by 10 rug, all the 8 by 10 rugs I've been seeing has been like $200. So this one was a steal, and it's the colors that I wanted, so I'll let y'all see that as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and clean, move a little things around, and yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is how long the rug is. It's actually much longer than I thought. So let me go and get some scissors so we can cut it and roll it out. Okay, y'all, so this rug is huge. Oh my gosh, it's so big. I love it because it takes up like majority of the floor. You can see how we got like a light gray and then a dark gray going on as well. So yes, and again, I got this rug from Zulily. I want to say I paid about 80 bucks for this because they have sales on stuff all the time. So now I'm about to put my furniture back and see how everything turns out. Y'all, it looks so good. I really like this rug. Oh my gosh, it looks so good in here. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday. I'm Yeada, for those of you that are new. Today is shopping day, and as you can see, well, you can't really see, but I'm here at Bath and Body Works, about to go stock up on some wall plug refills. They have them on sale today. So then I'm right next door to a Target, so I'm gonna be going to Target. Also going to Home Goods today, probably Hobby Lobby. We're just making a couple rounds today, so hopefully all these stores got the stuff that I'm looking for or the stuff that I need. But yes, I'm taking you guys along with me. My mom is already in line at Bath and Body Works because it is a line. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get going with the day, get shopping and spending some moolah. Let's go. guys, so it is the next day, but I wanted to show you guys what I picked up at the stores on yesterday. We did go to Bath and Body Works, Target, Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, Kirkland's. Yeah, and I think that's about it yesterday. But the main reason of going to the stores yesterday, I wanted to pick up some new wall plug-ins, the refills from Bath and Body Works. I also was looking for lamps to go on my side tables, and I did not find any lamps. The lamps that I did see, they didn't have matching pieces, which was kind of annoying. So I'm gonna have to either order some or keep checking different stores. So yeah, but anyways, I just wanted to show y'all what I picked up yesterday. Like I said, Bath and Body Works, I picked up wall plugs, the refills. I also picked up a new wall plug, and then this case here, this casing, this is what the soap goes in. I thought this was so pretty, and plus I had a free gift, so I ended up getting this as my free gift. So that's what I got from Bath and Body Works. Now from Target, I ended up getting one of these glass jars, and y'all know these glass jars were what they're for, cookie jars, of course. So I bought some I bought some Oreos. So I'm gonna try to do like the little, you know, cute Khloe Kardashian inspired cookie jar. So yeah, so I bought this. And also from Target, what else is down here? Oh, hand sanitizer, we need that. But so I do have a half bath, 1.5 bathrooms. So down here, I'm pretty much gonna bring in black. So as I have in the living room, I have black, but I'm also gonna tie the black into the bathroom as well. So I picked up this black rug. Yeah, so I picked up this black and gray rug. I thought it was super cute. So I'm gonna see how it looks. I do have to get like towels because it is a towel rack in there. So I am gonna have to find some black towels. Target, it's like, I don't know, it's like they had hand towels, but they didn't have the face towels, or they had the face towels, but didn't have the hand towels. It was just all over the place. So I did not get any towels, but I'm gonna end up getting some from somewhere else. I also got this little home sign. I thought this was so cute. It's just a little metal decal. And this was in the Target dollar spot section or whatever. So this was $3. And I don't know where I'm gonna put it at, but it's gonna go somewhere. So from Home Goods, so that was all I got from Target. But from Home Goods, I just picked up some baskets. So I picked up one black basket. Now these are gonna go on the back of the toilet. So I picked up a black one for the bathroom down here. And then I picked up this wooden one, or like this light gray and cream wooden basket here. And this one is gonna go upstairs because that one is majority gray, like light gray, dark gray. But this texture, I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, look at that. That is so pretty to me. And they were only $6.99 and $5.99. So I got those. And I got this here, which is like, well, I'm gonna be using it to make my guacamole, but you can use it pretty much for whatever. I got that as well from Home Goods. Now from Hobby Lobby, I got this tray here. Now this tray is in gold, and I don't have any gold, or actually I'm looking now and I do kind of have gold, but I don't want gold accents. The majority of my accents are, like I said, black and then silver. So I did pick up some black spray paint to spray paint this black. I have some of those like little decorative ball things. So I have 3 of them that I got from Pier 1 before they went out of business. So I'm gonna be putting those on here. And I also got this. What I got it for though, I'm gonna put a tissue box inside of this. So it's actually could be used for a planter as well if I wanted to put a faux plant in there or a real plant, but I'm gonna use it as a tissue box holder. I'm gonna make sure the tissue can fit in here. If not, then I'll end up using it as a planter. So that is what that is. And then last but not least, let me show y'all what else I got from Hobby Lobby. So y'all can't even see it for real, but I got this big old welcome sign to go at my front door to welcome all my guests to the new home. So I got this from Hobby Lobby. So yeah, if y'all looking for signs like these, you definitely want to go to Hobby Lobby to get it because they have them. They had this one and then they had another one that said Home Sweet Home, but it was like a beige with the black writing. But I kind of like this one better. So yes, that is pretty much everything. Yeah, besides the Oreos, y'all need to see that. But this is pretty much everything that I got on yesterday. Like I said, I did not find the lamps. Man, I didn't find the lamps, but I'm gonna keep checking, keep looking, and see what I can find online. So yeah. But yes, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Join the Glammo Squad. Leave a comment down below, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.